Okay, good morning student. In this session we are learning about phylum Nematoda. See phylum Nematoda. What is? See, we have to learn characteristics of the Nematoda. See, first one is a bilaterally symmetrical. See, first one is a bilaterally symmetrical. Symmetrical. Next, triploblastic. Triploblastic. Next, we have to see the here pseudo-coelomate. It is a there is no true coelom. Pseudo-coelomate. Pseudo-coelomate or pseudo-coelom. Next, unsegmented animals. Unsegmented animals. See, there is no segmentation. Segment this like annelida like. See, segmentation means this like. See this like segments. There is no. There doesn't have any segment. We have to see the is there any segment? No. Next, we have to see the body is worm like. Body is worm like. Their body is a worm like. We have to see the worms like. So it is a first one is a round cylinder and tapering at two ends. It is a cylindrical or flattened. See, they are a cylindrical or flattened, and body is covered with the tough and resistant cuticle. Cilia is absent. So it is a resistant cuticle is present. Cuticle is present. See, in these organisms, cilia is absent. There is no cilia in these organisms. Next, we have to see the here. See what is sexes. Sexes are absent. Sexes are absent. See these are organs. Next, we have to see the most form are parasite, but some are free living. So it is a in soil or water. See, in which enlargement of the limbs, scrotum, mummy of the humans takes place due to the infection of Wucheria bancrofti. See, the diseases spread through the mosquito bites. See, most of these organisms is a parasites. Most of these organisms are parasite. For example, we have to see the Wucheria bancrofti. Have you seen these diseases? Okay. Say our organs, which organs has it towards the ground, towards the gravity? See, for example, limbs, hands, legs, scrotum, mammary glands, mummy. So it is a enlargement their size. Enlargement their size. See, here is this is a best example is a Wucheria bancrofti. See, example is a Wucheria bancrofti. See, these organisms is a growing. See, it is a calling the elephantiasis diseases also. Hatti rog in Marathi. See, this like enlargement of their limbs, scrotum. Say it is a best example, Ascaris lumbricoides. So it is a male and female organisms. Next we have to see the basically growing in the scrotum, mammary and limbs. Okay. See here so many these disease, this like patient in our surrounding also is there, number of patients. Next we have to see the this like it is a biting of mosquitoes. Next we have to see the Ascaris and Entamoeba live in the human intestine. Next cause the Ascaris and Entamoeba see represents in humans. See respectively in humans. See amoebiasis, enterobiasis and Ascaris. These diseases is a causing in human beings. Next we have to see the Ascaris is a roundworm. So it is a example. Ascaris. See we have to see the Ascaris here is there. See these are a roundworm is there. Next Encyclostoma. 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 See it is also a type of hookworms is there. Next Wucheria branchiopti. See it is a filaria diseases also. Wucheria branchiopti here is there. See this is example. Next we have to see the, so it is a pinworms of humans, Enterobiasis. It is a living in the intestine, and causing the diseases. See this like. Okay. Next we have to see the next phylum is a Annelida. Next phylum is Annelida. Okay, here next phylum is a Annelida. What is Annelida? See, annel means it is a ring. See, we have to see their body is a segment. This like is there. Okay, circular in nature. See, next we have to see their body is a triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, soft and elongated. See vermiform and it is a cylindrical also. See their body is a triploblastic, next it is a bilaterally segmented. We have to see that their body is a segments is there, this like segments, annuals is there, segmented and soft and elongated, and here is a vermiform and cylindrical. Vermiform and cylindrical. What is triploblastic is there and bilaterally segmented, soft, elongated, vermiform, cylindrical. See this like characteristic is present in the Annelida. Next, body is a metamorphically segmented, external transverse grooves is there, internally septa is there. See, externally transverse grooves, externally transverse grooves is there, grooves, and internally setae. It is a internally is present septa. Septa is present. Some of the anterior segmented and see cylindrate to form the, it is a form head. See, we have to see here is a forming the head and tail. Next we have to see the exoskeleton is absent, body covered with thin cuticle. Exoskeleton absent. Is there any exoskeleton? Exoskeleton is absent and cuticle is present. Cuticle is present. Next we have to see the here locomotory organs are segmented, arranged. See, paired, it is a lateral appendages and parapodia and cutaneous septa and kete. See, we have to see the some organisms. For example, we have to see the nereis. Have you observed the nereis? Okay. See, this like nereis is there. See, there is a appendages is there. This like nereis is there. This like nereis. Okay. Here is a, see this like. See, this like appendages is present in the nereis. Nereis also belongs to the, see, same this phylum. See, this like nereis. Okay. Have you observed the nereis? See, this is a nereis. The nereis has a, see, this is a nereis. They have a pair of appendages. They can move from very fastly compared to the earthworm. See, this is the earthworm. Okay. Next we have to see the alimentary canal is a tube like extend from mouth to anus. See, alimentary canal. See, alimentary canal extend from mouth to anus. See, alimentary canal is a extend mouth to anus. Next, coelomast, first form with first animal. It is a first animal is there, coelomate. See, these are a first animals in coelomate. Next, we have to see the with closed blood vascular system also present. Closed vascular system. Closed vascular system. Here is a closed vascular system also present. Next, we have to see the next true coelomate. Coelom allow to organ to be packaged in the body structure. There is the extensive organ and differentiations also is there. See, what is the main function? Coelom allows the true organs. Here is a true organs is present in these organisms and packaged in the body structures. Next, excretion of paired of the, so it is a excretion also is there, paired segmented, see, nephridia. Excretion, here is a nephridia is there. Excretion through nephridia. See, excretion through the nephridia, these organisms. Next, we have to see the from the coelom blood stream directly the exterior. So it is a removing of the waste and nervous system consists of the dorsal brain. Nervous system also it is a consist of the dorsal brain. Okay, here is a excretion through nephridia. Next we have to see the excretion of paired segmented nephridia with removes the waste material from the coelom and bloodstream directly to the exterior. Next we have to see the here the nervous systems consist of the dorsal brain and ventral nerve cord and having the ganglia and lateral nerves in each body segmented. Nervous system also consists in this organism. Reproduction is sexually. See, sexes may be united or separate. For example, we have to see the these organisms. These organisms has a their sexes. For example, here is their segmented is there in fifth, sixth, seventh. Segmented for male reproductive organs is there. So it is a male reproductive organs. Male. And see we have to see the 12. See we have to take here only. 12, 13, 14. In this organ, for is a female is there. Female organs. See what will happen? It will be coming to the another organisms in opposite direction. Opposite direction. There is a releasing the this organisms is a releasing the sperm in another organisms and the same type of organisms and another organisms releasing here to the sperms. See this like occurring the here reproductions. Next reproduction is the sexes may be united or separate. See live in the variety of habitat. See where is the living variety of habitat? We have to see the in our surrounding. So it is a number of organisms is a living. See this earthworm. We have to see the in our field. See number of earth is there. See earthworm, neerish. Next hydrodinaria, leech. See it is a, have you observed the leech? See you have to see the once movie. Aparchit movie is there. Aparchitudu. That movie for is a krimi bhojanam. So it is a they are sucking the blood. They are sucking the blood of the animals. And we have to see the variety of habitat, mostly aquatic, marine, freshwater and terrestrial. They are keeping the their body is a moisture. See always is a digging and it is a living in the tubes. It is a make like tubes and it is a living the free. These organisms. Which organisms? This earthworm, neerish. Next leeches. These organisms is a living. Once we have to see the this organism is a triploblastic, bilaterally segmented, soft, elongated, vermiform and cylindrical. These organisms externally transverse grooves is there. We have to see the grooves is we can see. See these are a grooves. And internally seta is there. They are secreting the substances. They have to keep their body is always keeping a moisture. See cutaneous respiration. Respiration occur through their body. See it is through a skin. See exoskeleton is absent. There is no skeleton. See cuticle is present. See alimentary canal extend from mouth to anus. Next coelomate. First coelomate is there. So it is a phylum. There is no coelom. So it is a acoelomate, pseudocoelomate. We already learned. First this phylum, first organism is a coelomate is there. Closed vascular system also present. See excretion through the nephridia. See this is mostly these organisms is a free living organisms, terrestrial organisms, aquatic organisms also is there. That's why the earthworm for we are calling the friend of the farmer. Friend of the farmer. Next we have to see the Annelida include three classes. Three classes is there. First one is a Polychaeta. Class 1 is a Polychaeta. Polychaeta. See, what is Polychaeta? See, Polychaeta. Next we have to see the locomotion by segmented. See, here is a locomotion by segmented. See, their locomotion is a segmented. Arranged parapodia having the numerous setae. Arranged parapodia and numerous setae. See, next we have to see the Nereis and Aphrodite. Nereis and Aphrodite. Example. Next, second one. Second class is a Oligochaeta. 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 See, body without distinct head and it is a legs, eyes and tentacles and parapodia. It is a body with distinct head is there and legs, eyes. There is no eyes. Next, tentacles and parapodia is there. It is a see, Paratima. Paratima example. It is the best example is a Paratima earthworm. Next, third one is there. It is a Hyoidea. See, third one. See, what is Hyoidea? See, body with anterior and posterior sucker is there. Anterior and posterior sucker is there. Parapodia, setae are absent. Next, Hyoidea. See, Hyoidea is a best example is a leech. See, I already said leech is present in the water, and when enter into the for example, it is a percolation tanks. When I enter to these buffaloes, so many organisms, it is a drinking for water. They are sticking their body and sucking the blood of that organisms. Say, leeches best example is a Hyoidea.